Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the exact parts and immediately preparing the system image. Choose a compatible board, M-Logic or Pi, because Android builds depend on SoC drivers. Once chosen, pick power and storage that match specs. Now plug the micro SD or connect eMMC to your PC, open the flasher tool, and write the Android image. Make sure to verify the checksum so you don't waste time with corrupted files. This prevents boot failures later and saves hours of debugging. Once the image is written, you should insert the storage and connect HDMI, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi dongles, then power the board. Watch boot messages to confirm kernel and vendor blobs load. If it stalls, note the last log line. Proceed through Android's first run wizard. Configure language, network, and accounts to enable app installs. After boot, install a lightweight launcher and update Play services so apps run smoothly. Make sure display resolution matches your TV for proper scaling and performance. You finish by optimizing and securing the system so it stays usable. Enable developer options to toggle USB debugging and limit background processes for better responsiveness. Once done, remove unnecessary apps to free storage. Install required codecs and set up an OTA or manual update plan to apply security patches. Test video playback, remote button mapping, and network throughput. If anything fails, boot into recovery and restore the saved image. A single recovery image solves most problems quickly, so keep one accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.